Hey, what's up, guys? So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a brand new Instagram account. Now, upon opening Instagram, I will be greeted with this because, well, I already have an Instagram account. So, if you want to create a new one, just click on Create New Account. Okay, so in the next section, they'll ask you for your mobile number, but I'm not going to use that because it's linked to my previous account. So, what we're going to do is sign up with an email address. Then type in the email address and click continue. Now you need to create a unique password, and once you've done that, hit next. Okay, now they'll ask you, do you want to save your login info or would you like to not save it? And I'm just going to click not now. In the next screen, you need to set your date of birth, and now they'll ask you for your full name, and then they'll ask you for your username. Now, it doesn't have to be this combination of your full name. You can make your username whatever you want as long as it's not taken, and then hit next. And now you need to agree to Instagram's terms and policies. In this section, you can add a profile picture, but I'm just going to skip it for now. And now we are technically done, but there are some further things that they will ask you. So now I've already granted Instagram the permissions, but over here, if you press next, your phone will probably ask you to grant Instagram permissions. Connecting your Instagram and your Facebook account means that you can get suggestions of people you follow on Facebook or people you might know on Facebook on your Instagram as well. Now, seeing as I already have an account, they'll ask me if I want to link my new account to the same accounts center. Again, this is, do I want to share my Instagram post to Facebook and vice versa? So this is completely up to you. And on the next screen, they might ask you to add some people to your account. You don't have to do this right now. And there you go. You are done setting up your new Instagram account. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider hitting subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.